If I was rolling out a new self-service tool to an organization, I can think of probably three things I'd want to be pretty sure of. Firstly, I'd want to make sure that the tool's structure, as we look at what it's doing and just kind of that permission scape, makes sense for the organization. You don't want to bring people into a brand new tool and perhaps they have too many permissions, so there's way too many options to look at and choose from than what you've trained on, and you don't want them restricted. You probably want to do that homework in advance and make sure that your permission levels and the structure of how you've set up your tool really aligns for what your organization needs. Secondly, I would make sure that in every department or division or however your company is broken up, that you've already identified and trained some champions pretty early on the tool. You're going to want to make sure you have more points of contact for simple questions, for quick help throughout your organization, more than just maybe you or your team. So get out ahead, find those evangelists, get them trained up, and kind of build a structural flow. It also helps kind of operationalize it because those champions often become the ones that recruit your new people into the tool. Lastly, I'd want to be sure that I had a communication strategy, not only for in advance of rolling out the tool, helping communicate to the organization and sharing the benefits of the tool and the goals of the tool and what we're trying to do, but also sending out some updates even afterwards that talk about how to get support, maybe even hold a couple of support times for users to come and ask their questions. Think office hours, right? But you want to keep the tool in front of users, especially in the beginning, and make sure you have touch points both before rollout and after that encourage any kind of questions or users needing help getting it tailored to their specific needs. I think if you accomplish those three things, you'll find you're pretty successful in rolling that new tool out.